So now I just want to show you a technique of painting that will help you keep a little bit more out of your head around what you're painting. A lot of times I'll see people with brushes like this and they'll be painting the item like this and they'll just make all these tiny little strokes to get in this idea of the leaf. And I want you to see how that looks in comparison to what I've just done. So if you're wanting a real loose painterly effect, think in long, straight, curved, it could be curved, but long, smooth brush strokes instead of trying to paint every little nuance that you see. This is very loose and very sort of free form, and it's got a lot of movement in it. This is going to take me twice as long. It will, of course, give you a little bit more texture, but only when you're up this close looking at it. When you step away, you can't see all the little details, especially when you haven't changed the color that you're using, right? I'm just using white over the top of this. It's not going to stand out. These little tiny marks are not going to stand out as the texture that you believe that they are while you're up here close working in it. When you take a step back and you look at these little tiny strokes, they all end up looking like one mass. So if they're going to look like one mass, then my thought is, why not just paint it as one mass, one big stroke, and get the sucker done.